India is one of the fastest growing aviation markets in the world.
And most airlines have ambitious expansion plans, especially to tap the potential on regional routes. Basically, aeronautical engineering involves the activity of designing, developing, and constructing mission planes that can fly, as commonly known by aircraft.
Aerodynamics, structures, propulsion, avionics, and aircraft systems are some of the necessary skill set to excel in varied sectors of the aeronautical stream.
Kumaraguru's aeronautical department have all these included, and hence the curriculum that the students are being taught makes the department unique. The department hosts 2 aeronautical related clubs for those students who are interested in space and aircraft.
In addition, we have 2 aircrafts, Cessna 172 and Hansa 3, stationed at the KCT hangar.
The department hosts 2 aeronautical related clubs for those students who are interested in space and aircraft.
It's a podium for all aero enthusiasts to train themselves to fly different models of flight and learn about real flight mechanisms. We have built remote-controlled mini drones using balsa, teak and foam with right electronics from scratch.
Having been really passionate about aircrafts, KCT was the right place where I chose to pursue my undergraduation. Especially, Protosem at Forge made me a real engineer.
You'll be able to apply what you've learned to actually create new innovative products. For example, student teams have created an eagle-inspired drone that can actually dive into seawater and recover itself back. Student teams have developed drone-based multi-spread drones which can actually sweep large areas of land to detect mines for Indian Army. When you work on such innovative problems, you not only learn, but you actually apply what you have learned. When you take Innovation Practicum, you can either become differentially employed in a lot of new companies coming up or startups, or you can create your own startup and become an entrepreneur.